శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 855th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 52nd chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, after Arjuna left to Indralokam to attain some astras, Dharmaraju, Draupadi and all other brothers, they all stayed in Kamyakavanam. Dhananjayam sochamanaha sasrukantaha sudukhitaha tadviyogardhitan sarvan sokaha samabhipupluve. Dharmaraju, other brothers and Draupadi, they are all missing Arjuna, and remembering Arjuna, they are moving to tears. At that time, Bhimasena saying to Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, because of your orders only Arjuna left all of us, and we all now depended on Arjuna only. If there is no Arjuna, yasmin vinaste panchalaha sahaputraihi tadha vayam satyakihi vasudevascha vinasyeyuhu nasamsayaha. If there is no Arjuna, we are not there, and even Vasudeva also not there. Our Arjuna is such a great righteous man. He has anticipated what are the troubles that we are going to be facing in future. And on your orders, he left all of us. That is the grief we are going through. O Dharmaja, only because of Arjuna we are thinking, only because of Arjuna's valor we are thinking that we are able to conquer all of our enemies and we will be able to attain our kingdom back. And also, oh my dear brother Dharmaja, on that day in the assembly I did not kill all the sons of Dhritarashtra Maharaju. That is all because of Arjuna. Even though we are so much of strong and very powerful, and we have Vasudeva's protection, only because of you we are suppressing our anger. O Dharmaja, if not, we would have killed Karna and all other soldiers by now with the help of Sri Krishna, and we would have started ruling this entire earth. But only because of your orders, only because of you, we are suppressing our anger and we are left just like this, helpless, and we are not able to do anything. Only because you have played gambling and because of you have done that thing, we were thrown away by Kauravas. As and how big people throws away small people, just like that we are thrown by them, though we are very strong. Like that Bhimasena saying to Dharmaraju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.